Hey there, it's Rachel Shirley, pet loss grief coach and author of a new book, Pet Loss and Divine Healing, a compassionate guide for navigating your devastating loss. To the world's devoted and dedicated pet parents, both present and those yet to embark on the incredible journey of companionship, this book is for you. To the friends and family of pet lovers, thank you for supporting pet lovers in your life with compassion, empathy, and grace as they embark on one of the most challenging losses of their life. And last but not least, to my beloved client, thank you for allowing me the honor to support you along your grief and healing journey. I dedicate this book to you too, as our meaningful conversations have impacted my heart and inspired me to keep on keeping on. I'm sorry to tell you this, but Winston has a brain tumor and cancer all over his body. It is probably best to have his peaceful passing as soon as possible to relieve the suffering. I know you have picked up this book because you or someone you love can relate in some way. My heart is with you, my beloved friend. I feel passionate about walking the journey with those of you who are agonizing over the loss of your sweet one too. The world needs to know there is healing, hope, and harmony to embrace through pet loss. Another is that our beautiful and precious pets were on loan to care for until God calls them home to heaven. They are not our possession. I promise you will get through this moment in time if you bring an open heart, a sound mind, and the willingness to invite God's divine peace and healing into your tired and tender heart. Just know that you are not alone, and anything I can do to support you, just feel free to reach out to me. I promise you, you will get through it. Just that God loves you. God loves you. And there's healing, most definitely. So just know that your heart will heal one day for sure. And reaching out for healthy support is really important. And you're doing that by just watching videos. God bless you. Until next time, make sure you take really good care of yourself and gentle care of yourself during this. Okay. God bless you.